What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw the Mona Lisa step by step. It's super easy, so grab your pencil and let's get started. And make sure to subscribe for more drawing videos. Let's begin with the easy Mona Lisa outline. Start by sketching her face using curved lines for the eyes, eyelids, eyebrows, nose, lips, and cheek dimple. Then draw a small circle inside each eye and shade a smaller circle inside it. Next, use a series of curved lines to trace the outline of her face. Then draw the wavy edges of her hair around her face. Now continue drawing Mona Lisa's hair using long, wavy, curved lines. Add the part in her hair, then draw her neck and a short line for the collarbone. Begin drawing her garments using long, curved lines. Then connect them at the top with a pair of curved lines. Now use overlapping curved lines to draw the beautiful wavy folds of her sleeve. Next, draw her hand using long, overlapping curved lines. Add short lines for the fingernails and continue drawing the fabric folds of her robe. Now continue the sleeve and draw her second hand folded beneath the first. Then add curved and V-shaped lines to shade the lower sleeves. Next, add texture to the sash of her robe using curved lines. Add a zigzag band on the upper sleeve and draw straight ray-like lines around the neckline of her dress. Finally, continue contouring the fabric with curved lines to complete the outline of her clothing. And there you have it! Your Mona Lisa drawing is almost complete! Now it's time to start coloring the drawing. Use any coloring medium you have and bring your Mona Lisa to life, and there you go. Here's the final result after coloring. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. And don't forget to comment below and tell me what I should draw next. See you in the next video.